Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Today's video is about Uthando Nesithembu. Guys, since there was a conversation between Mayeni and Musa, talk about the kid issue, Macele said the money that Mtombeni gave her for grocery is not enough because she had the daycare for kids when they came from school. And she said nobody thanks her for looking after their children. They just hoot and take the kids and go. Mayeni is suspicious that there is something that Mselegu is hiding because it's not the first time talking about the kid issue. And she also said, Macele has a mood swings. So other day you find her in a right mood, sometimes in a bad mood. So in other time, if we know that the person have mood swings, it's better to give her a space. So I don't know what brother's hiding from me because I took care of his kids, Luandle and Abo, in their early age. Nobody thanked me. Even on holiday, no one told me that the kids were coming. I just saw them enter with their bags. And I wouldn't mind because the kids came to the right place because it's also their home. According to the kids issue, Mpumela said they must let it go because Msele will try to nudge them, but it never happened. So Mayeni ended up reminded that no one thanked her too for taking care of their kids, not even Tombeni. And she said, kids are kids. I don't know what changed because kids are the same. So she said, Tombeni, please don't make me seem like I'm stupid. I took care I took care of the kids before. You guys should have also thanked me, but you didn't not do that. Then Musa says goodbye to Mpumelelo because Mayeni was still talking. She added up to their conversation. She said they did not thank her and she did not thank them too. So Mselegu said they made that thing 50-50. Mayeni said yes. Then she also said Mtombeni must not make her stupid because they supposed to tell her if they don't want her kids at Sea Park anymore. Selego, what have you done? I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. I thank you. Bye you.